This video too is all about party ideas. Here I have made chocolate marzipan and also included some walnuts. This makes a great party takeaway and also to add to your dessert table. So let's get started. I have used here 1/4 kg marzipan. I'll put the link for the marzipan recipe in the description box below. And to that I'll be adding 1½ tablespoon of drinking chocolate powder. This is easily available everywhere. Now I will combine and mix both the ingredients and knead it well. I will include the entire recipe in the description box below, so do check it out. Now while kneading this together, if you feel it is gone dry, you can add a few drops of rose water. Use any brand of rose water you have. Just a few drops is enough to make it moist again. This is our chocolate marzipan. You can use this for Easter eggs too. Our chocolate marzipan is all ready, and now to this I'll be adding 100 grams of walnut. These are slightly roasted and chopped. You can use this marzipan also to make some chocolate bonbons. Just make some round balls of marzipan and dip them in chocolate. So now once this is ready, I'll be rolling it out. You can also roll this marzipan between 2 butter paper sheets. Trying to keep the sides straight so there is less wastage while cutting them into squares. I'll be rolling it into 1/2 inch thickness. You can also use some cookie cutters and cut various shapes from this. As I'll be using this container, I'll be cutting into the same size, around 1½ inch by 1½ inch. I'll be sharing the link from where I purchased these containers. These are available at IPF Cart. You can purchase them online and they are very reasonable. You can use them for many other purposes also. You can use the chocolate marzipan walnut squares. You can add them to your hampers. You can also gift them during Diwali and other occasions. You can keep them on your dessert table. You can also use them as party takeaways. Just knead this left of scrap and make them into squares again. Once they have been cut, I'll be placing them on a tray. So now they're all been cut, and now let's decorate them. I have taken around 125 grams of dark compound. I'll be cutting them into small pieces and melting it over a double boiler. Here is some hot boiling water, and I'll be placing the chocolate bowl over it. In a while, the chocolate will start melting. You can also melt the chocolate in the microwave. Put it in the microwave for 10 seconds and then remove it out, stir, check it if it's melted. If not, again keep it in the microwave for 10 seconds. The chocolate is fully melted. I will now place the marzipan pieces into it and coat it well. Using a fork, coat the marzipan pieces well and tap a few times to remove off the excess chocolate. Once it's coated well, tap off the excess chocolate and place it on a tray which is lined with a butter paper. Don't worry about the extra chocolate falling down. We will be trimming off those excess once the chocolates have been set. Now once these are coated, let's do the next step. I have taken a little of milk compound, about 50 grams. That would be enough for the drizzle. I have used this brand. You can use any brand of milk compound or milk chocolate. And now I'll be filling this into a piping bag. Tie a knot at the other end or simply use a rubber band so that the chocolate doesn't fall back. Along with this milk chocolate, I'll also be using these gold sprinkles. These are gold sugar, also available in the shops, and some rose petals, dried rose petals. These two are available in the bakery accessory shops. Now I'll be cutting the tip of the piping bag. A small cut is enough and we'll get a good drizzle with it. Just squeeze the bag gently and making some drizzles on one side of the squares. This is gold sugar. I'll be putting all the links in the description box below of all the items used in this decoration. Now I'll be placing around 2 to 3 dried rose petals over it. These are small, tiny, heart-shaped sprinkles. These two are available in the bakery accessory shops. They come in these small containers of various colors. I've selected the pink ones from here. Lastly, adding those gold sugar beads. Since it is hot weather now, you can see my chocolate is not yet set, and that's why all the sprinkles get stuck to it easily. And now I'll be placing it in the fridge for at least 5 minutes so the chocolate is set. Do not keep this for too long in the fridge. Minimum 5 to 10 minutes is enough. And now they are all hard and set. We will be cutting off that excess trimmings and let it get a neat look. And now the excess chocolate has been trimmed off. I'll be placing them into these gold containers. I have purchased these containers online. I'll be placing the link in the description box. And so now I'll be finishing off the rest and I'll show you how it looks like from inside. You can use this in your hampers or a gifting or even as a souvenir for any celebrations. These are all done and all set to go onto your dessert table. Aren't they looking so cute and beautiful? The chocolate marzipan with walnut tastes awesome. I hope you'll be trying it and do leave a comment as how you liked it. Do like, share, comment and subscribe for more such interesting party and gift ideas. Until we meet again in some more interesting videos. Take care. Bye-bye.